Welcome back to our channel, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking beauty of Italy, a country that never fails to captivate visitors with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 10 amazing places to visit in Italy. So pack your bags, and let's embark on this extraordinary journey together. Number 10, Rome, the Eternal City. Our adventure begins in Rome, the heart and soul of Italy. The Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Pantheon are just a few of the iconic landmarks that showcase the grandeur of this ancient city. Don't forget to toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain and make a wish. Number 9, Florence, a Renaissance gem. Moving on to Florence, a city that boasts unparalleled artistic heritage. Marvel at the breathtaking architecture of the Duomo and immerse yourself in the world of Renaissance art at the Uffizi Gallery. Oh, and don't miss the chance to see Michelangelo's David at the Galleria dell'Accademia. Number 8, Venice, a floating wonderland. Our next stop is Venice, a city like no other. Take a gondola ride through the romantic canals, wander around the enchanting streets of the historic center, and be sure to visit St. Mark's Square and its magnificent basilica. Venice truly is a floating wonderland. Number 7, Amalfi Coast, coastal paradise. Brace yourself for breathtaking views as we head to the Amalfi Coast. With its picturesque cliffside towns like Positano and Ravello, this coastal paradise will leave you in awe. Take a boat tour along the coast, indulge in delicious seafood, and soak up the sun on pristine beaches. Number 6, Cinque Terre, the Five Lands. Prepare to be enchanted by the colorful villages of Cinque Terre. Perched along the rugged Italian Riviera, these 5 towns, including Vernazza and Manarola, are connected by scenic hiking trails and offer mesmerizing views of the Mediterranean Sea. It's a paradise for nature lovers and hikers. Number 5, Tuscany, rolling hills and vineyards. Time to unwind in the stunning region of Tuscany, famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming medieval towns. Explore the captivating city of Siena, taste world-renowned wines in the Chianti region, and lose yourself in the beauty of the Val di Orcia countryside.
Number 4, Pompeii, frozen in time.
Let's take a step back in time as we visit Pompeii, an ancient Roman city buried under volcanic ash in 79 AD. Walk through the remarkably preserved ruins, witness the haunting remnants of daily life, and get a glimpse into the past. Number 3, Sicily, Island of Wonders. Our adventure takes us to Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean. From the magnificent Mount Etna, an active volcano, to the historical wonders of Palermo and the stunning beaches of Taormina, Sicily offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you spellbound. Number 2, Lake Como, a serene retreat. Picture-perfect landscapes await us at Lake Como, nestled in the foothills of the Alps. With its elegant villas, charming towns like Bellagio, and crystal-clear waters, this serene retreat has attracted celebrities and visitors alike for centuries. Number 1, Capri, the jewel of the Mediterranean. Our journey concludes in the stunning island of Capri. Explore the magical Blue Grotto, take a leisurely stroll through the charming streets of Anacapri, and savor the panoramic views from the gardens of Augustus. Capri truly is the jewel of the Mediterranean. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 amazing places to visit in Italy. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and found inspiration for your next adventure. Remember, Italy is a country that never ceases to amaze with its rich history, natural wonders, and unforgettable experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Until next time, happy exploring!